Hello, my name is Mahir Chowdhury.
And my name is Ahmad Ali, and today we'll be presenting to you our hackathon idea, COVID-19 Global. To begin with, our idea was brought about by the need to address the concerns that we share about the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Particularly, we felt concerned with the spread of information. Among the numerous online sources which cover COVID-19, it is sometimes difficult for the average person to find the exact information they want or know whether it is always coming from a trusted news source. With this in mind, we decided to create our own platform for COVID-19. This would provide current and trustworthy facts and figures.
For the ideation phase, we knew that we had a lot of data to work with, but we needed to figure out how to narrow it down and display it in a user-friendly way. Our interface is built up of 3 screens that alternate and communicate with each other. The first screen displays COVID-19 world data with a country search feature. The second screen displays COVID-19 data on a specific country. The third screen graphs specific COVID-19 data from that country into a time series graph.
So we have a lot of data, and it's all coming from one source, an online database called Our World in Data. It is basically a collection of COVID-19 information which is regularly updated from health and government agencies. All this info is sent as JSON, which is then sent to Python.
We use many different types of libraries to help interpret our data. Request is used quite extensively in our programming to retrieve COVID-19 data in the form of JSON. The Pandas library is then used to convert the JSON data into data frames that can be used later. PyCountry is a library that we use to retrieve and organize data by country ID. The Beautiful Soup library was used to web scrape and retrieve images of flags based on the searched country name. We used many other built-in Python libraries to maximize our program efficiency. It did this by deleting temp files as well as organizing files and folders. As for our user interface, we used 2 different frameworks. The first framework is called PyQt5. It features widgets, layouts, as well as many other GUI elements. We use Qt Designer to help template our interface so that our initial work process can be quicker. Afterwards, we converted the file into a Python file and then we edited it to work with our backend. The second framework that we used is called Matplotlib. Matplotlib is an amazing visualization library in Python for 2D plots or arrays. One of the greatest benefits of visualizations is that it allows us visual access to huge amounts of data and easily digestible visuals. Matplotlib consists of several plots like line, bar, scatter, histogram, etc. For our purposes, we used Matplotlib to help visualize our time series graphs on COVID data.
Okay, so here we'll open up our file. And we will run it using Python. So as you can see, this is our desktop application. The title of it is COVID-19 Global. And here we can see today's global COVID-19 stats. So for the world, we will see the total cases, the new cases for the day, the total deaths, and also the new deaths for the day. And all this information is updated daily. If you wanted to find specific information about the COVID-19 for a certain country, you could type it into our search bar, for example, the country of Japan. So as you can see here, not only did we get all the facts, we also generated a flag for the country of Japan. We have our current health facts and our current country demographics, but more importantly, we have the daily COVID-19 facts. So I can hover over any one of these, and in fact, if I clicked on one of them, I could see the numbers ever since the pandemic started. And we also have an interactive toolbar in which we can save the image and zoom into any particular part. We could also pan across to get a better look at the details. You could also open up images side by side and compare them.